All right, I'm coming from Fairplay, Colorado, and I'm with Justin and Claire with AC Concrete, and this is something that's really cool that's on their property. It was a steam dredge.
About 1922, 1925.
It was brought out from San Francisco to dredge gold. Now, any of you guys who are a big fan of Gold Rush, we're right across the road from the mine that Todd Hoffman was at. And, so this thing's pretty cool. They had a red line. It didn't have a dredge bucket line like what you see on Twin Peaks. Now, how much gold did you say they mined? But this machine that is unbelievable.
4 years that they ran it. It's about
What elevation are we at?
10,000
feet right now. And as you can see, it's a nice breezy day. So there you go, guys. It's a little bit of American history here. Hope you like it. Thanks for the tour, Justin.
So it had guys that would out in front would be thawing that material, the permafrost, with the steam poles.
Really?
So that they could keep digging as it went forward. And this is the oil that
So
over here.
we're standing on the pontoons. This is part 2.
See how it ran the steam through the whole entire structure to keep the guys warm during the winter too.
Unfreaking real.
If you come down
So
here,
they just were they just feeding it with coal?
whatever they could feed it with.
Anything just to keep it hot, huh?
Yep.
Feed the beast.
1870.
1870, huh?
This is the cool part right here now.
To de-water?
Yeah, they dewatered this. How they dewatered the material. Material dewaters. And then they had this is the trommel right here. Ran the length of it.
Whoa. Look at that.
That's a water main going down the middle of it. 12 inch.
That thing's huge. So they just fed it, the bucket dredges fed up on the other side?
Yep, and then it washed down here to this transfer belt right here. It was loaded out to make the stockpiles, tailing stockpiles. But if you notice right here where the sluice boxes are, they had this thing divided up into 2 crews.
So they had sluice runs off each side?
Yeah, we got 16 sluice boxes off each side of the trommel, 16 on this side and 16 on this side. And they'd have it fenced off so your crew can come in and hydrate your ore. You know? These are the sluice runs right here.
How many sluice runs on each side?
16.
That is unreal.
And you couldn't access this, only the owners could, you know, through these gates.
Unbelievable.
You can see how that steam ran along the edges of the walls, keeping everybody warm and machine thawed out.
Did they run 12 months out of the year, or was
Yeah,
it just
they ran it year round?
up here? It's a pretty nasty environment.
Yeah, it's pretty unreal. They were able to do that. We don't know exactly what we're going to do with it yet. I mean, the museum wants to buy it. It's going to be about $2 million for somebody that wants to buy it. It's $1 million for the dredge and $1 million to move it out of here.
Wow. I can't imagine how much it took to get it here from San Francisco.
But you know, we're talking about just pump set size in here. Water pumps. That's a big pump there. United Iron Works, Oakland, California. Now that's an old piece there. Huh? General Electric right there, buddy. That's an 800 amp horse motor. They don't make this stuff like that anymore.
Nope, they sure don't. Well, there you go.